Hey guys, if you're heading to Bangkok and looking for a hotel that is modern, aesthetic, and right in the heart of the city, this one's for you. Welcome to Hotel 56 Sukhumvit, located in one of Bangkok's most vibrant neighborhoods. The vibes, clean, minimal, and stylish from the moment you step in. We were welcomed with a refreshing drink, a small gesture, but it instantly made the whole experience feel warm and personal. Now, for the best part, the room. We booked the King Suite and just look at this space. It's super spacious, beautifully designed with cleanliness, and has a cozy, modern vibe throughout. And this right here, a stunning freestanding bathtub placed right in the center of the room. Yep, total Instagram goals. It's giving luxury stay vibes without breaking the bank. The bathroom is sleek and spacious, and the room comes with all the essentials. Great for both short stays and longer getaways. And the best part, this king suite cost us just around 2800 Thai baht per night. That is roughly 6500 or about 115 Canadian dollar. Definitely value for money in this area. The hotel also has a rooftop style swimming pool, perfect for relaxing, and a small but well equipped gym for those who want to stay active while traveling. Location wise, you are in Sukhumvit, just a few minutes from BTS station. You have got cafes, malls, and street food spots all nearby. Whether you are into shopping, nightlife, or exploring, you are right in the middle of it all. So, if you are planning a Bangkok trip and want that perfect mix of comfort, style, and great location, Hotel 56 Sukhumvit is definitely worth checking out. Drop a comment if you would like to stay here. Hit that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel content.